Hey everyone, so if Google Translate is not translating anything, like you type text and nothing happens, or it just stays blank, yeah, that's a really common issue, but don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. Google Translate needs internet for most features, so if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak, translations may not load. Next, close the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes the translation system just freezes in the background, and a quick restart fixes it. Now make sure you selected the correct languages. If the source and target languages are wrong or mixed up, translation may not appear correctly. Okay, next. Clear the app cache. This removes corrupted temporary data that can stop translations from working properly. Make sure your app is updated. An outdated version can break translation features or cause blank results. If it still doesn't work, try using Google Translate in your browser. Sometimes the app has issues while the web version works fine. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve the issue. If it still doesn't translate, it might be a temporary server problem, so try again later.